friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking orange cauliflower in the air fryer. So to make this recipe, you cook orange cauliflower same way as normal white cauliflower. It just looks different, but it's really the same thing. So we need cauliflower, seasonings of your choice. I'll use salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And I also use olive oil for flavor. You can use any kind of vegetable oil or just leave it out altogether if you'd like to stay lower in fat. So I washed the cauliflower before making the video. Now I'm going to remove the green part. And cut the cauliflower into florets. So I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces so they cook quicker. So about this size. So now once you cut the cauliflower into pieces, let's put it in a bowl. And I'm going to add oil and seasonings. So just drizzle a little bit of olive oil, about 1 tablespoon or so. And add seasonings to taste. So here's salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And now I'm going to mix it so cauliflower is evenly coated with oil and seasonings. And now let's take out the air fryer basket and add orange cauliflower to the air fryer. And put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 15 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's shake the cauliflower so it cooks evenly. So if there's any brown pieces, just make sure they're on the bottom. And now let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this orange cauliflower. It's perfectly cooked and looks amazing. Now I recommend just pierce a piece with a fork and make sure it's tender. Yeah, it's tender. So if yours somehow is not cooked through, you can always add more cooking time. So as you see, if it's like starting to burn but still hard inside, you can put it back in the air fryer at a lower temperature, let's say like 320 degrees, and cook it for additional 5 minutes, and then check back and make sure it's tender, and then you're done. But mine is perfectly tender and cooked, so I'm going to take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look at this orange cauliflower. It looks so interesting. And it really tastes the same as regular cauliflower, just a different variety. It makes a very interesting presentation. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love cauliflower. Delicious. It's so tender, perfectly roasted, was super easy to make, and it's so healthy and delicious. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!